Okay, this is how we put CC RACING CDI on BWS 100cc 4VP and 4VP engine use. Okay, there are three connectors: white to white, black to black, and the green one to this, like this. Okay, do it again. White, black, and this. Okay. Now, the other line. This white connector is for oil pump. If you have oil pump, you have here, but I don't have oil pump, so this is for oil pump. So you connect one to here. If you have one, and if you have oil pump, you have to take this off and connect to this. You got me? If you don't have oil pump like me, you just put one into here. I hope you understand.